let's look at the daily interesting problem of today. Given that 2 to the x power is equal to 3 to the y power is equal to 36, find 1 over x plus 1 over y. Let's take a look at today's daily problem. Given that 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of y, which is equal to 36, find 1 over x plus 1 over y. As you can see, from a few days ago, we had a daily problem where we used the where we looked at the form of the sum of two unlike fractions. So let's review that really quick. Whenever we see a fraction in the form of product, in the form of sum over product, we know that this is the result of the sum of two unlike fractions. So let's rewrite 1 over x plus 1 over y. So this expression we can turn into x plus y over xy. Now we just have to find the relationship between x plus y and xy. So how can we use the expression that we're given here? We know that 2 to the x power, and if we took that to the y power, is equal to 2 to the xy power, which is equal to 36 to the y power, because we know that this is equal to 36 essentially. And if we took 3y and raise it to the x power, we know that is equal to 3 to the xy power, which is equal to 36 to the x power. Now let's write an equivalent expression out of these two things. We know that if we multiplied 2 to the xy power times 3 to the xy power, that is the same thing as 36 to the x power times 36 to the y power. And so this on the left side we have 6 to the xy power is equal to 36 to the x plus y power. Now how can we compare these two sides? Well, because 36 is equal to 6 squared, we can also write this as 6 to the second to the x plus y power, which is equal to 6 to the 2 times x plus y power. Now let's take a look at the two ends of this equation right here. 6 to the xy power is equal to 6 to the 2 times x plus y power. Because the base numbers are the same, we know that the exponents must have the same value. So let's take a look here. xy is equal to 2 times x plus y. But going back, there's no way for us to actually solve for the values of x and y. But going back, all we're trying to find is the relationship between the value of x plus y and xy. And because xy is equal to 2 times the numerator, then we know that the denominator will always be 2 times the numerator. Therefore, we know we can rewrite this as x plus y over 2 times x plus y, replacing the denominator with what we have down here. This will always cancel out, and our final value will always be 1/2.